got one of these deals going on, it's like riding a roller coaster. So I picked up some replacements here a couple of months ago and they're not doing it. So we're going to try something different. So this is the kit that I picked up from Amazon. I'm still trying to figure out what some of the things in here are, but honestly, I was going to grab a pack at Home Depot, but they were out. Can you believe that Home Depot did not have any? Oh, I had to break a piece of tape off of it. I still don't know, so no instructions come with it, and I've never seen these before. So all of these look pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so I don't think you're going to use everything here. You need to decide which one of these rubber washers you want to use. So I tested one, and I think the cone-shaped one is going to work best for what I have. So that will go on the bottom, and it will have this washer, this nut under it. So on top, I'm going with the top of the bolt and this washer, like so. And then on the bottom, I'm going to come up with these. So probably, I think I will also put a washer between the rubber washer and the nut. So I don't know if that's necessary, but I'm going to do it. So we're just trying to get this nice and tight. So you can see what I've done here on the bottom. I think you can see what's going on. I am using a screwdriver up here on top to keep the bolt steady. You could probably get it pretty tight by hand. All right, so here we are revisiting. So I want to make sure I'm pointing at the right bolts. So you have bolts back here which are holding on the tank, but these are the bolts that are holding on the seat, and they've been great. So it's extremely solid. I do have a theory that toilets which are situated to the side, so people come in and they sit down not head on but indirectly, they sit sideways, so they're always pushing that momentum. So I have a theory that those get loose easier. I don't know if I'm going to test it, but in this case, these are holding this one really solid, no movement at all. So just check in with them. Thanks, hope that's helpful.